How you doing, guys? It's 11 p.m. and I decide to have an afternoon stroll after my work, as I don't work too much nowadays, which is bad actually. And the reason why I'm working because it's snowing. It's actually first proper big snow this year and probably the last one, but it's actually dope. That's why I'm coming here. This is the snow track. I'll show you. Finally, I have proper use of my shoes. The Timberland what I bought 2 years ago, 1.5 when I came. Actually, I didn't use them too much. And yeah, this is cool. Anyways, how are you doing, guys? I didn't talk to you so long. I miss vlogging actually. That's why I will come back with some cool idea in next upcoming days. And probably will have videos every single day. So that's the snow tracks. They should put the salt on it also. The snow is coming, as you can see. At least a little bit of the snow. And the sound of the snow actually next to the church. I like snow. I like winter generally. This is what I miss actually. For half year almost living overseas in the countries where snow wasn't exist. There's no snowing. This is so cool. And it's so quiet. It's 11 p.m. Thursday afternoon. I mean Thursday afternoons usually at 11 is quiet, but today is like extremely quiet. Look at this. So cool, huh? Street vlogging, 11 p.m. Thursday afternoon in Poznan, Poland during the snowing. By the way, in Poland is that safe as peaceful. You can walk alone at that time, holding the phone or camera, whatever, and you're not gonna be afraid that somebody gonna knock you from the back and steal it from you. However, is it anybody from me? No. No, just kidding. It's actually safe. Some people are actually going to the Rynek Jeżycki. Look at this snow and the old kamienica in the background. So cool. This is the sound of the snow. Like this. Cool, huh? Like a small kid who never seen the kid snow. Actually, I filmed I pick up the Winnie from the work. I film her reaction going from the Żabka, which is like a Polish version of 7-Eleven. Sayang is going out from Żabka. And it's snowing, as you can see, like this one next to the church. Sayang experience of working on the big snow. Sayang, how is it?
Co?
Co? Zimno?
Zimno.
Ale fajnie, nie? Nice?
Tak.
Just get inside.
Idziemy, chodź.
Oh, here we go. The tram, probably the last trip. Rubbish collectors. That's how it is. That's how does it look like here. Check this out. How cool is it actually? The snowing here. I'm gonna make some Insta story on the another one and the correctors. Here we go. And another one. So cool actually. Shot so many trams here. And then some ladies also came out and making this video on Insta story or picture or whatever. Nowadays snow is so much rare and less popular. Look at this guy. He's just driving a bicycle on the snow. And yeah, living in the country where everything is like no snow at all and you are still crashing. Look at him. He not give up. Big props for him. He used to do like that as well if I was delivering the food. We never give up. He's from Poland though. He used to struggle, not that. Just a little bit of snow is not gonna change anything. But it's quiet in general. I'm gonna tell you, and this is the Muller advertising the apartments in the hood where I live. This is the Rynek, which is like a bazaar during the daytime. Some ladies, ATMs and yeah, whatever. It's not the purpose actually of today's video anyhow. I just wanted to share a little bit of the hood of Jeżyce in Poznan, Poland. And generally the weather condition, which is cool. It's snowing and it's so quiet. Check this out. Only people going to the Żabka, which is closing in 20 minutes. Actually, should be already closed. Maybe they keep it open or check this out. Close at 23. It is still open. And it's so peaceful actually. I just like snow, huh? It's just so cool, huh? So peaceful. Nice shot of the tram in the snow, number 18. Here you go. This is how does it work. Still people going around. Actually, I don't know which one. The trams in Poznan driving until actually now. This one already going home. I think I'm gonna go home as well. Yo. Sometimes small things make you happy. I mean, I used to grow up with the snows, you know, like a half meter, 1 meter of snow, minus 20, minus 30 degree was nothing special. I mean, that's what's happening every winter, not like now. Minus 5 is already extreme. Like now, the biggest snow what we had, it was in Japan, was fall down some time ago, a few days ago, and also in Calgary, minus 41 in Canada. And of course, not mention about the Siberia and stuff like this, where the snow is always there. That is nice. Nice to enjoy a little bit of snow, especially in Poznan, where the snow is not really like a big thing here. Not anymore. And this guy is still fighting here to make the road clear of the snow. Actually, there is not that much snow, and technically he's not doing this. Everything will be alright. But he won the contract to do so. Let him make some money at least once in the year. And yeah, at least there will be some sign as this, you know, tomorrow. I hope so. It's not gonna melt down tomorrow morning. Who knows? Maybe actually will be all of this will be covered with snow tomorrow. Probably not. Alright, arrived to our tranquility of our apartments. Here we go. It's just so quiet. The sound of snow. Yo, now I feel pretty cold actually. Covered with snow, what's gonna melt on my jacket. So yeah, if you're watching till now, thanks and have a good one. See you on next one.